Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to warp a square in Photoshop. Let's begin. Create a new layer, click the shape, right click on your mouse, select rectangle, fill, black, example select the black color, stroke. I do not use stroke for firstly, then hold shift, click and drag it. Okay, then press Ctrl Z for duplicate layer or use this. I press Ctrl Z for duplicate layer, then click the shape again, fill, do not use fill, and stroke color black. Increase the size, square size. Okay, then press Ctrl. First of all, select the layer, then press Ctrl T on your keyboard. Click this warp or right click on your mouse. See this warp. Click and warp easily. Okay. Apply the same formula. Press Ctrl T. Okay. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.